Hi, fam. Hey, science kids. So you're not here today. No. So we're making you this video. I'm here with your classmates. Look at them. No, they're there. Oh, the ceiling's there. Hey, wave. Wave to your friends. Wave to your friends. There's your friends. So we're doing this experiment. It's called the Scrambled Eye Lab. It looks like this. It's on your Google Classroom Drive, so you can be able to check that out and kind of follow along with it. Hey, right, everybody, here's what you need for this lab. And you need an adult. Doesn't have to be me, obviously, but you need an adult. So you need gloves. You need a pencil. You're going to need 2 droppers. Doesn't matter. I guess a spoon will also work. You're going to need 2 little cups, which you're going to put your things in. And some kind of dish. I have a Petri dish, but you can use a dish at home. You're going to need some egg whites or an egg. And you're going to need hydrogen peroxide or isopropyl alcohol. Got this at Walgreens. So if you need some, you can go get some. Okay, so if you guys remember, the very first thing we do when we start a lab is we're going to read the lab. Read the whole thing so you know what's happening and you know what you need. So this says, did you know that your eyes are very similar in composition to eggs? It's true, but egg whites in your eyes contain high amounts of protein, and they will both react the same way when exposed to certain chemicals. This activity will demonstrate the importance of observing safety procedures while working in a lab. Observe the beakers of liquid. I have little cups. I don't know what you have at home, but we just know, that doesn't help you, right? That I have little cups. So I'm going to observe them, and I'm going to predict which one, A or B, is water. Now looking at these on this video, wow, you really can't tell that much, can you? So you're gonna have to think about at home, what else could I do, right? I'm obviously never gonna taste anything without specific directions to do so, and I definitely don't wanna taste this because I don't know which one is which. So I can smell them, right? That's always an option. But I'm gonna have to figure out which one is water. And on your paper, you would write A, what you think. Or if you're following along with me, you can take a second, pause this video, and write, do you think it's A or B? A or B, that's water, and which one is isopropyl alcohol? Okay, very important, right? One's safe, one's not as safe. So go ahead and write that down if you're following along with the lab. All right, so this next part is our first procedure. It says make sure you're wearing goggles and gloves. Gloves. I have my goggles on. Place a thin layer of egg white in the Petri dish, which I've done. Dun, 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 dun. And using a pipette dropper, place a few drops of the hydrogen peroxide in the Petri dish. So, and again, I'm using isopropyl alcohol, a little bit different. It's 91%, so I'm going to put a few drops in here. Ooh. A little bit more, right? Look at that. What the what? What? Okay. So I followed my directions. At this point, you're going to pause your video and record what do you see in this Petri dish. And you're going to go ahead and sketch it. Again, not the art teacher, so no judgment there, but make sure you sketch out and describe what you see. All right, part 2. Procedure part 2, I'm on the back because I answered my questions on the front. Get a clean pipette and a water sample. That was my cup. This cup, right? And try to clean the egg white the same way you might flush your eyes of debris or liquids in a lab setting. So I got my water. I'm going to put some water in there. Oh, I'm flushing it, right? Like I'm using a lot of pressure like the eye wash station does. Oh, it would help if I showed you, right? Notice any change? Is the egg getting clean, right? If I squish it around, does it seem like it's getting better? Here, let's even put some more water in there. Is it any better than it was? No, it's not, right? So I'm going to go ahead and write down those observations. Did this water do anything? What do you think? Do you think it looks any better? I'm going to write this down in the space. So that's most of the experiment. What you're going to do is use what you've seen in this video to answer these questions. Were you able to get the sample clean, again, using water? No, right? And then what do you think would happen to your eyes if hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, or other chemicals were splashed in and you didn't have goggles on? Bad, right? You're going to answer these questions. You either do this on your Google Doc or on a piece of paper. Maybe I'll just bring it to you when you get back. But at least you guys got to see the lab. See you soon. Bye, guys.